Good evening, the wonderful people of Reptx and NAVC. It has been an honor to work with you October of 2022 at Port Hueneme and subsequently for the ONREP group at Port Hueneme. And it would be an honor if you could allow Edlor to come back to Reptx 2024 because we have introduced a new artificial intelligence machine learning module that will allow maintainers to essentially be able to have a chat GPT style conversation with their documents, with multiple documents in an offline mode, which would be ideal in expeditionary and on the way situations on ships. So it would be great for us to be able to not only show the Edlor platform as we did last year, but also be able to put this module test drive, this module at the Reptx in 2024. It would be great if we could come back and do this. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
The biggest mental challenge is probably troubleshooting, following those diagrams and remembering what does what in the system to really solve the problem.
Welcome to Edlor, an all-in-one mobile platform for training, service, and maintenance. Offering features such as explosive 3D, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities. Edlor is an operator and equipment-centric platform, empowering the users with extensive data to assist them in making correct decisions the first time, increasing efficiency and minimizing accidents. Due to Edlor's multifaceted features, its usability spreads across many varying industries, such as the military, aerospace, oil and gas, medical, industrial, insurance risk management, and much more.
Hello, my name is Javid Vahid, founder and president of Edlor. Our software is designed to help equipment maintainers do their job as efficiently and as safely as possible. We are currently deploying this software at the Warner Robins Air Force Base, and we would be honored to be given the opportunity to do the same for the Navy. We have a team of highly skilled engineers and advisors with years of military service experience. Thank you.